Hey, good afternoon, guys. Aaron Dorr here with the Missouri Firearms Coalition. We have some breaking news for MOFC members. We got some good news. We got some bad news. We got Jared Taylor here, guys, who, of course, as you all know, was the floor manager of Missouri's Second Amendment Preservation Act. And, Jared, we heard moments ago that shocking, heavy sarcasm included, Obama's hand-picked federal court judge just struck down Missouri's SAPA law.
Yeah, it's not surprising. I mean, this is what we expected all along. This is what we had planned for. We've been working for this moment. We've just been waiting for it.
Yes.
We knew that it was coming. In every interview that I've done since SAPA, we expected this to happen.
Yes.
And we knew that we were going to go to the full 8th Circuit and then probably on to the Supreme Court. So it wasn't a surprise. I'm glad it's finally here, so now we can move on.
Exactly. I think all these commie liberal reporters in Missouri or in the federal judiciary all thought this is going to be a kill shot to Missouri's SAPA law and to SAPA in general across the country. All this judge has done is given us a platform that we need to take this all the way up to the 8th Circuit and from there, maybe even all the way to the Supreme Court and get binding national precedent behind Missouri's SAPA law. Yep. We had to get past this defeat first to get to that next step, didn't we?
Yeah. I mean, you know, if we got the favorable decision right now,
sure,
there's a good chance the DOJ wouldn't have appealed it because they would probably lose.
Right.
And so, in order to get an 8th Circuit opinion, it's going to be huge. It's going to be national. There's going to be national implications. This is going to be able to be used for years to come for other red states, but other issues that are important to Missourians.
Well, this is do or die for Joe Biden. This is do or die for the DOJ. If SAPA law stands, if Red America can say, screw you, Joe Biden, we're not going to enforce your tyranny here, his entire agenda falls flat on its face. And that's why we had not just the DOJ, we had Merrick Garland himself actively involved in this case, doing press, doing media saying we will work to overturn Missouri's SAPA law. They cannot abide a country where the states can say, go to hell, we're not going to enforce your tyranny here. We did that here in Missouri. Right. You did that. You guys did that here in Missouri, and Joe Biden cannot abide that. That's why they're all in. But Joe Biden's not the only one who's all in on this. Jared, we've met recently with A.G. Bailey. He's all in on this too.
Yeah, he absolutely is. He is already planning the appeal to the 8th Circuit. So he's ready to go, and we're ready to back him up and do what we can to make sure that we support him because, you know, we've got to take this fight on. We've got to continue this fight. And so it's really encouraging. The Attorney General is so on board with this, and he's ready to take this fight on up.
Oh, he's not going anywhere, guys. This is going to be the biggest battle between Missouri and the DOJ since like the 1860s. This is going to be the big one. And, you know, it was interesting. We talked with A.G. Bailey. He was mentioning how, you know, the words and the title of lawsuits matter. And as a layman, I didn't know some of those details. Yeah. But he said, man, when they said USA versus state of Missouri, that was a great big screw you to Missouri. He's like, we're going all the way with this. So, guys, it's going to be a big fight. It's going to take some time. It's going to take some time. In the meantime, for right now, SAPA has been struck down here in Missouri. This is just the next step in this battle. It's going to be a big one, going to the 8th, maybe the Supreme Court. Guys, hit the link, get involved in this fight. We need your support. We've already used up our legal defense money so far. At the current level, we have a whole new iteration of this fight now to engage with. Hit the link below or above this video and donate again to help us fight in the 8th Circuit and carry this fight forward. This was not a surprise.
No.
This was always expected, and again, we could not get higher binding decisions on this in the 8th until this commie judge did what we knew he was going to do and struck down Missouri's SAPA law. Guys, share the video, hit the link. More information to come very shortly, guys. Take care. Have a great day.